Hi there! Good morning, good afternoon, hola, buenos dias, buenas tardes, mi gente, mi raza, from wherever you're looking at. I never thought I would say this. It's Dyno Day today. It's fucking Dyno Day. I'm wearing my Ricky Bobby shirt because I just want to go fast. And if you ain't first, you motherfucking last. Hey man, I'm back. I'm back to do another video for you guys, man. I've been off. I've been waiting. Go check out the last video so you can see an update before I took the car. But the car is there. It's running. It's ready to be dynoed, to be exact. We still need to do some brake stuff, and I forgot what else we got to button up. But so it's not completely ready to fully. Let me shut this fucker up. Shut up, Benjamin. Benjamin's excited too. Benjamin. Sorry for the interruption. My dog is excited too. He hears me scream, so he wants to scream too. But like I was saying, the car isn't completely ready. It's just ready to be dynoed. We still got a lot of stuff to take care of. I think we still need we need to figure out the braking, like for the front, because what we were gonna run initially is on back order, so we have to try and see what we're gonna do. So the car isn't completely ready. Like, I'm not gonna be able to test drive it, unfortunately. Like the day that if you guys seen that video of my 240, I got to test drive it that day, which was amazing. But in this case, with this car, since we're still taking care of the whole brake issues, I'm not gonna be able to test it today, unfortunately. But still, it's a huge win, huge win. The car runs. It moves under its own power. It just has no brakes. So we haven't like pushed it or gone fast, if that makes sense. He's moved it, but you know, with the brakes of God. But anyway, it's still a big win, huge win. The car runs, it drives, everything is buttoned up, all the lights are working. Amazing, man. I can't wait to show you guys, man. The hazards work, the turn signals work. He initially had the car set up to turn on with the key, but I told him, you know what? I still want to feel that race car feeling, so we went ahead and put a push start too, cause just to have it, you know, just for reminisce, you know, just to remember what that feels like. Because I do like having the push start. It feels cool, you know. To each their own. I like to have the key, but you know, then you have ignition issues. Sometimes the ignition fucks up on you, and then you know, then your key doesn't work anymore. So you know, you got to deal with that issue. So push start it is. But there you go. There you have it. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna go pick up my boys right now. We're gonna head over to Rival. We're gonna hopefully I never put Jason on camera too much, but I'm gonna put the fucking camera on his ass today. Make him explain some shit that he did, because I don't know what the hell he did, but he did his thing, you know. So we're gonna put the camera on Jason Kim's face, let him know, or ask him what he did, so you guys could get into full detail what he did. And then we're gonna see this car rip on the freaking dyno, man. I'm super pumped. I'm super excited. This is the car of my dreams, the swap of my dreams, and it's all coming into one. So I'm super excited. Hopefully you guys are just excited as I am. Benjamin, come here. Are you excited? Yeah? Okay. He's excited too. My boys are excited. Let's go! Yeah! Look at this fool, dog. Yee, what up, dog? Damn. So for those of you that have been following me for a little while, know that I've been fucking around, bro, with the music and shit. Oh no, we need to do it. You guys have been seeing I've been fucking around with the music. Well, this here, my friends.
Yo, what's good, what's good?
This is my homie Tito. That fool plays the quinto with us. So you guys are gonna be seeing this fool in a gang of videos, hopefully, that we put out.
Yes,
we're gonna. How you feeling, bro?
You. I'm stoked. I'm hella stoked. New project coming soon.
Hell yeah.
Get some shit out the way. Real quick, I'm gonna see the R34. You feel me? Yeah.
Yes, sir. So we're gonna. I had to bring him along. He likes cars and shit too. So I had to bring him along. So we're gonna give you guys a little sample right now. Probably play like 2 songs just so you guys can hear it. Just so this little this little video could get kind of interesting. You can see a little bit of everything that's going on in my life and shit. And well, you guys are gonna be seeing this for a lot, so let's get it.
Yes, sir. You already know.
But before we hit the dyno, I wanted to ask the boys a quick question. We got both the boys here now.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so here it is. The question of the hour. Predictions. How much power is it gonna make?
Shit, damn.
What number are you picking?
I'm picking.
Hey, hold on, loser buys lunch.
Damn,
Nah,
we're all losing.
Oh, fuck you guys.
What was it at last time?
Last time it made 555, and then we down tuned to 512.
555.
Yeah, but it made 555. That was peak power.
And you're pushing more now.
Yeah, we're making more. Yeah.
I want to say like 720
Okay.
or like 660.
660. Okay, lock in 660.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
670.
670. 670. Okay.
650.
650.
650.
Good. Okay. Okay. Not too crazy. I mean, I'm gonna humble it, and I'm gonna say it's gonna make 625. 625. I'm locking in 625. So 625. Buzzdown says 650. That's a great number. I'm not gonna lie. I'd be hyped if it makes 650. And you said 670.
Yeah.
So he's shooting for the moon. All right. Hey, I fuck with it. What if it does? You know? You never know. All right. They're your bets. We're gonna see what it does. We're about to hit the dyno. But before we hit the dyno, we got a boy right here. We're gonna play 2 songs real quick, just so you guys can see what's going on with the music, and so we can add a little bit of everything that I'm doing in my life right now.
Yeah.
So let's get it. Here we go. Here we go. Musiquita de ustedes, vamos recio. Él esperaba los guachos, lesionaban las balas. Él esperaba en reversa de la lluvia de balas. Me lesionaron la cara y al suerte me lo mataban. Duró unos días internado para después trasladar. Los guachos me resguardaban, temían que hubiera un respaldo. Muchas cosas me achacaron para en la escuela encerrarme. En la suite número 5 por ello me reservaba. Los Sandrax y el sargento, el virus me acompañaba. Mi apoyo no es mala vida, un gastro negro con barba. Volví, sigo trabajando, las órdenes sigo dando. Les agradezco a los Sandrax por el apoyo brindado. Al 100 sigo con mi gente y con Manuel el ondeado. Sigo acabando con lacras, sigo dando pasaportes. El comando sigue el tiro y al tiro estoy con los palos. Ando bien pendiente al grano para atorar a los traidores. Mi nombre y le recuerdo, me lesionaron cobardes. Mejor ni tengan cuidado, me despego en un instante. Mi clave y les dejo en claro, no he venido pa' quedarme. Para que escuchen lo que traemos en el repertorio. Salud, güey.
That's mine.
Oh, that's yours?
Yeah.
Oh, te digo. Cheers.
Cheers. Salute to R34 being Dyno today.
Let's go.
Cheers to that. Oh yeah. Let's get it. You can start that one and I'll hop in.
Para los nuevos pasos a la era.
Ah, no puedo.
¿Cuál? No.
Me miraron chambeando y por mis calles roleteando.
Yes, sir. Woo! And then, you feel me?
Ready?
We got tornado. Yes, sir. I don't know. That's right, we out.
Woo. Fucking blowout.
Quick, you feel me?
Woo. I swear I'm getting new tires this weekend.
R34 first. Woo.
Beat stop. Can never win. Alright, fuck it. We ready?
Motherfucking last.
Cheers. I gotta
Say what up, though. Yup. This fool's about to get new tires. When are you getting new tires?
on Sunday. So
Sunday.
today is Friday.
Yep. So.
Oh shit. It's strapped down, huh? Wow. Nice. Hell yeah. What's up, bro? Where's Jay at?
I don't know. He was here and then went away.
Sweet. Fuck, this thing's gonna scream, bro. Yep, they're all ready to go. See what happens. Let's get it. We're gonna go talk to Jason right now. All right, here we go. Happy birthday, dude. It's Danny's birthday today, by the way. We have him right here dynoing my shit. Sorry, Danny, but I love you. Pumped, man. I'm pumped. This thing sounds nice. Woo! Oh, let me show you guys a little detail. Radium drop in. About to turn this up. Let's see what it does. I'm just stepping out for a little bit real quick. We just talked to Jason and he forgot that the car was, well, the motor was sent out to Blue Moon to get built. So pistons, rods. So I can't believe he forgot that. He said he's getting old, so excuse him. So now with that being said, we're gonna see, we're gonna try to max out the turbo and see what it does, just to see what it makes, just for shits and giggles. And then we're gonna down tune to somewhere where we're happy. So he says that the intercooler might be our restriction, and well, not just necessarily the intercooler, but the actual turbo itself too, because I have a 3582, which is, I want to say, good for 600, 650. Realistically, they claim 700, but that's kind of pushing it. So he's just setting it up right now. We're gonna see what it does, and then I just want to see it break 6. That was initially what the goal was. So I don't know, the boys are aiming high, I'm aiming kind of low, and Jason Kim thinks that it's gonna be a little low too. So we're going 625, boys. Cheers. Right now we're gonna do a pull. So you guys can hear it real quick. He's not doing a pull yet.
Oh, you wanna go?
Yeah. The wastegates sound insane. That shit sounds fucking good, brother. Ooh, what do you think?
That shit sound like a fucking airplane, right?
Crazy, huh? Sounds like a fucking jet, dude. Sounds good, man. Sounds healthy. She's loving it. All right, well, let's see. Next, I'll record when we're doing a pull. So, dyno session. Phew. We got a human dyno over here.
Debo ass fool.
Fucking Debo. Make 900 horsepower. ¡Ale huevo! my God. Nice. Nice. That's still 91. 425. Almost. Woo! I don't know how well you can hear me, but he's calibrating right now. This is 3500. She sounds good. 4,000. Straight blue balled me. Damn, that was a good one. 576. Wow, that's nice. Wow. Woo! Nice. That's a good pull right there. Nice. Wow, nice. Big. So I'm back. So the car made 601 initially. So we broke the sixes. Hell yeah. Broke the sixes, but so I think that was at 24 pounds of boost. And then something was going on with the cams, with the timing. So the car wants cams. So I told him, I was like, whatever. He was like, fuck it, I'm gonna try to add a little bit more boost, see what it does. We went up to 26 pounds and it made 616. So I was like, yeah, I called it right there, you know, that's perfect right there. They told me that, you know, that's what we're gonna get right now, that the car really wants cams. So more money to fucking spend. But I was like, you know what, just leave it there. We'll leave that for phase 2. And then so right now we're letting the car cool off a little bit. We're gonna do a pull at 22 psi because that's where Jason kind of wants it at. So, and then see what it makes there, and then we're just gonna leave it there. So we'll leave the bigger numbers for another time. But it broke 600, like we said. Technically I win, that was the closest. 616, it made, I was thinking 625, so I shot it a little high. So I win, but let's see what it does at 22 psi, and then that's where we're gonna leave it. So it could be nice and happy and with no issues. I don't want to be pushing anything. I want it to be happy, like if it's walking down the street. Let's see what it does. Fuck yeah. Yes. 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 Fuck. Holy shit. That's good. Fuck. That's so fucking perfect, dude. Fuck yeah. We love you, Danny. Finally back home. It is 7:54 at night. Amazing dyno session. The car did perfect. It made what we wanted it to make. We were shooting for 600 and it made 616. And then I down tuned it, had him do a 23 psi pull and then just keep it there. Jason wanted 22, but I was like, nah, 23. And Danny was the one that ultimately decided to just stay at 23. We did a 23 pull and it did 597. So after 595 you round up, right? So 600, I'm gonna just say it made 600, which it did. But 597 is our ultimate number at the end. The car's happy, it loves it, but I am tired. I'm done, I'm cooked. Good session. Thank you to Jason Kim, thank you to Danny, and everyone who's helped me to get this far in this car. I'm excited to get you guys some more content. Can't wait to drive it. And well, man, stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully I can start pumping out videos for you guys. And if you made it this far, thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully I'll have some new content for you guys soon. Animal.